Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the all-over popcorn stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you are going to work your first treble crochet, followed by another treble crochet in the next stitch. Now the repeat for this row, we are going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster. So what that means is you are going to work a treble crochet like normal, but you're going to leave your 3rd pull through on your hook. And then once you have done that 5 times, then you'll pull through all 6 loops on your crochet hook, like so. Then you will work 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. So again, the repeat for row 1 is you are going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster, followed by treble crocheting in the next 3 stitches. Next, we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain 2, and we are going to treble crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now you may have noticed from the beginning of this video that the texture for this pattern is only on one side, which means this pattern is non-reversible, so just keep that in mind when you start your project. Next, we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 2. We're going to start off again like we always do by working 2 treble crochets. And then we'll start the repeat for this row, which is going to be working 3 treble crochets. And working a 5 treble crochet cluster. Next, we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain 2, and we are going to treble crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. All right, now we are going to turn our work and work on row 5. You're going to start off like you always do by chaining 2 and working your first 2 treble crochets. Next, you're going to work a 5 treble crochet cluster. Followed by working 3 treble crochets. You will want to repeat rows 2 through 5 until you get your desired size. And that is how you do the all-over popcorn stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.